Good day, explorers, and welcome to our third and final craft before Museum Alive on September 29th. Week 1 we made expedition binoculars, week 2 we made an official safari hat, and today we'll be making a must-have safari guide vest. Supply list is in the comments below. Let's get crafting! Place your paper bag with the flap facing up, then trim one side of the very bottom edge to open it up. Repeat the process on the other side. Stick your hands through to open it up, then fold your bag down so there's a crease running along the center of the bottom of the bag. Pop out both sides of your bag, trim off any excess handles you may have. Next, using the fold of the bag as a guide, cut a diagonal line from the side of the bag to the cut you made in the first few steps. Repeat on the opposite side. Next, cut a half circle centered in the bottom of your bag. Remember to cut through both layers. On one side of your bag, cut a triangle to extend the circle. Then continue your cut line all the way down the bag. If your bag has graphics on the outside, you can turn it inside out so you have a nice plain vest look. Add a dot of glue if you need to tidy up any spots. Then while you have your glue out, go ahead and add some glue to the non-flap side of your envelope. Paste it on to the front of your vest. Then repeat with the other envelope. Now, if you like, draw some simple embellishments to make it look even more authentic. So there you go. Now you are an official safari guide. So grab all your gear and head on over to Museum Alive on Saturday, September 29th at Oklahoma WONDERtorium. We're excited to see you there. We hope you've enjoyed these safari craft videos. Thanks for watching.